My name is Michael. I'm a heathen by definition. I'm a twin flame in separation. I'm doing a divine masculine read for today's energy. On the split, we have justice and the devil. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You know my intentions. You know my desire. You know my heart. And you know my will. You know I only seek truth. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Is there a message I can bring forward for this masculine? Thank you, Lord. We have the Ten of Swords. The Ten of Swords is all about a completion and overcoming obstacles, truth, and passion. Thank you, Lord. This is a completion in the suit of swords. But as you can see, it is a hard-earned lesson. Thank you, Lord. It's a hard mission. Thank you, Lord. But this masculine has had enough of something. Thank you, Lord. They're tired of being stabbed in the back or hurting for some reason. Thank you, Lord. We have the Three of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles is all about partnership. Thank you, Lord. It's about people who have the same values, exchanging them. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, they're tired of being stabbed in the back by people that they see as partners. Thank you, Lord. Chariot on the bottom of the deck. Thank you, Lord. Maybe this masculine is moving away from this energy. 10 is a completion. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. We have the King of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles is a masculine figure who is totally abundant in that he values, whether that be material value, spiritual, or emotional value. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. This is someone who will not undervalue himself or overvalue someone else. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. This is a master of that he values. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, he's tired of seeking partnership from people that don't share the same values as him. The King of Pentacles is a king, but there's no kingdom. He's just looking off into the distance. Thank you, Lord. He's holding his pentacles. He knows what it is, but there's no one around him. Thank you, Lord. He has no one who shares his value. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Not only are they realizing this in a very real way, they're tired of it. They're tired of being undervalued. Thank you, Lord. We have the Page of Pentacles. Thank you, Lord. This is a masculine who, this is a new idea of Pentacles. Thank you, Lord. This page wants to deliver or offer that he values to someone. Thank you, Lord. This page has a big pentacle clutched to his chest, but he's dressed shabbily. His hair's messed up. Even the patch of earth he stands on is more barren than the ones around him. Thank you, Lord. This is not financial value. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. She's holding it close. Or the masculine is holding it close to his chest. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. We have the Hierophant. This is a spiritual leader. This is the father figure type in the deck. This is a teacher. This is someone who holds the keys. Thank you, Lord. This is someone who is totally and absolutely certain of what they feel and what they believe. Thank you, Lord. This is a very spiritual card. Thank you, Lord. This masculine is either becoming or became the Hierophant. They know the spiritual nature of value. Thank you, Lord. 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 You're amazing and overwhelming. Spirit was telling me shuffle. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Can I get another card for this masculine? Thank you. We have the Ace of Pentacles. Thank you, Lord. This is a reward from Spirit for progressing all the way through the suit of Pentacles, or that which you value. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. This masculine has reached the highest level of their Pentacles, or that which you value. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And it may be at a time where this masculine may not be in very good financial shape. Thank you, Lord. But they still hold what's valuable with them. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. It's an amazing gift, a reward from Spirit. Thank you, Lord. It took all of these 10 swords to teach this masculine value. Thank you, Lord. The Ace of Pentacles fell right above the King of Pentacles. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Can I get another card for this masculine? Thank you, Lord. We have the Hermit. Thank you, Lord. Like I said, this is still a new energy. Thank you, Lord. This masculine is still a page, and they're in hermit mode. They know intuitively, spiritually, and physically what value is. They've felt what it's like to be valued, and they've felt what it feels like to be devalued. Thank you, Lord. That's these 10 of Swords. That's these swords in his back where the masculine gave to people who he thought was his partner. Thank you, Lord. And got stabbed in the back for it. Got mistreated. Got left. Got abandoned. Got abused. Thank you, Lord. So they're in contemplation. Thank you, Lord. It's mostly, they can feel it in the physical, but they don't know how to manifest it yet. They're still in hermit mode. They're still going inside of themselves. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Can I get another card for this masculine? Thank you, Lord. We have the Queen of Vessels. This is a feminine energy that totally encompasses unconditional love. This is a feminine that will stand in her love. Thank you, Lord. This is a feminine who has mastered her love. She's got her cup in her lap and she is staring at it contently. This is a queen that is so assured that they will stand alone in their love. Thank you, Lord. That's what this masculine's in hermit mode about. She spiritually knows with this Hierophant above the partner that the Queen of Cups that clarifies it is her God-given partner, or her twin flame, her true love, her soulmate. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Can I get one more card to complete the grid? Thank you, Lord. Yes. We have 8 of Wands. This is a fast incoming message. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. That may be what this masculine is thinking about conveying to this feminine. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And they want to do it fast. Or with this Hierophant and with the King of Pentacles clarified by the Ace of Pentacles, it could be spirit. It could be the universe giving her intuitive knowledge about pentacles, or that they value. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And I'm going to clarify each one of my 9 cards with 2 more cards for a total of 27 of 72 tarot cards. Thank you, Lord. The Lovers. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. She is tired of her lovers, people she's given her emotional and spiritual value to, stabbing her back, just like I was saying, not being the partners they were meant to. Thank you, Lord. But I think this also means, with it clarifying the 10 or a completion, the masculine is or wants to be done hurting their feminine. They don't want to hurt them no more. They don't want the pain that brings. They don't want the truths that make them retreat into hermit mode. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. They just want partnership. They just want someone to truly love them. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. They want their other half. They want their soulmate. Thank you, Lord. Can I get another card to clarify this 10 of Swords and this Lovers? Thank you, Lord. We have the Knight of Wands. This is the most long-term knight in the deck. This is a masculine energy that stands in his intuition. Thank you, Lord. And not only does he stand in his intuition, he will stand with one sexual partner. Thank you, Lord. The wand is a phallic symbol and can represent sex and sexuality. Thank you, Lord. But either way, this masculine is ready to move away from this 10 of Swords towards this Lover's energy and stay there long term. Thank you, Lord. This knight is not a king. He's not seated on a throne, but it is the slowest knight in the deck. He's the only one that is unmounted. Thank you, Lord. But he still has his hands on the reins. This is no promises yet. But this is someone who is very certain of their intuitive knowledge of what they want. Thank you, Lord. 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 Thank you. For the Three of Pentacles, we have, or the partnership card, we have the Ten of Cups. This masculine is looking for the partner that will give them this Ten of Cups. It's a completion in emotional and spiritual abundance. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. That's what they've been seeking. But they didn't realize that they're trading the world's definition of pentacles for hers, which is cups. Thank you, Lord. She's trading love for money, and that's not an equal exchange. Thank you, Lord. That's giving play-doh for platinum. Thank you, Lord. And that's the truth of it. You can never trade cups for pentacles and one party not think that they're getting the short end of the deal. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Masculine. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. For the King of Pentacles, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for affirmation. Thank you for confirmation. Thank you, Lord. This is the feminine counterpart to the card it's clarifying, the King of Pentacles. Thank you, Lord. Yes, this is a twin mate couple. The feminine is also totally assured and abundant in that she values. She will stand in her value. The Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles, they're the most beautiful couple in the deck. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. But it's a suited pair. It's exactly what I said. She is longing for, or searching for, has been searching for someone who shares the same definition of pentacles, but she was going by everyone else's definition of pentacles. Thank you, Lord. And she's realized that's why she is stabbed in the back 10 times. What I say, she's longing. I had two cards pop out. The Three of Wands is about someone who is waiting for their ships to come in. It's kind of reap what you sow. It's kind of like the harvest card. Thank you, Lord. And we had the Nine of Vessels. Thank you, Lord. That's being content in cups. Thank you, Lord. That's having an internal assurance and abundance. Thank you, Lord, in your emotion and well-being. But I only take one card, Lord. Clarify this King and Queen of Pentacles. Uh-oh. Thought I lost it. Sorry. To clarify the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, we have the Sun card. That is the wish fulfillment card in the deck, in my opinion. This is total, overwhelming joy, peace, and abundance. This is encompassing everything. This is total unity. This is a wish come true. Thank you, Lord. Like I said, that's what she's been seeking. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. But she just took their definition of value and didn't think about it. Thank you, Lord. They didn't seek knowledge before. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Can we clarify this Page of Pentacles? Thank you, Lord. Yes. This masculine is definitely coming into their spiritual awareness. They're definitely learning what value is, and not only that, but that they are invaluable. Thank you, Lord. And in that, thank you, Lord. Page Pentacles. We have the Full card. Thank you, Lord. This is 0 in the major arcana. This is a new beginning. This is a new start. This is the Alpha. This is a leap of faith. Thank you, Lord. Yes, she is seeking heavily, and she wants a new start. She wants a new start in being abundant in that she values. Thank you, Lord. It's all a change of perspective. Thank you, Lord. She no longer values what she used to value. Thank you, Lord. She's seen the illusion in that, and she has seen the truth in true value. Thank you, Lord. And she is wanting to move forward in this. Thank you, Lord. 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 Can we clarify this Full card? And this Page of Pentacles. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. We have the Devil card. Thank you, Lord. The devil could be a karmic energy. Thank you, Lord. It could be a negative energy. Thank you, Lord. And a lot of times it is. The devil could also be an awareness of a bondage to form. Thank you, Lord. It could be realizing that just as much as spirit, the positive energy of spirit is in us, so is the negative energy of spirit. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. So this could be a negative karmic energy, or something holding this masculine from this new beginning, or this new beginning could be due to realizing that she's a bondage to form. This masculine cannot change her definition of pentacles to suit the world. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. They can't do it. Thank you, Lord. But we will clarify. Thank you, Lord. 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 Can we clarify this Hierophant? Thank you, Lord. We have the Nine of Vessels. The Nine of Vessels showed up a while ago, but it is about being content in your emotions. It's being level-headed or even temper. It's being able to use your emotions to change your energy. Thank you, Lord. It's one step from mastery in the Suit of Cups. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yes, it's a spiritual awakening and abundance in cups, and it's surrounding this masculine. It's all around their head. Spirit is putting this in their mind heavily. They know the truth of this. They know that they've been mistaken, that they have been following illusion, the illusion of other people's definition of value. Thank you, Lord. Can we clarify this nine of vessels? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You know they gotta fly. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. What is this? Wow. I had a whole lot come out. Not gonna do it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All right. We have the Ace of Wands. That is the spiritual reward and intuition for progressing through the levels of wands. Thank you, Lord. This is an intuitive gift. Thank you, Lord. Falling on top of the Hierophant and the nine of vessels representing this masculine's mind being almost consumed by emotion. Thank you, Lord. It's a spiritual, intuitive knowledge that is always present. It's omnipresent because Spirit's omnipresent. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. So we have a suited king and queen. We have the lovers. We have the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles and a Queen of Cups. It's a beautiful reading. Can we clarify this Ace of Pentacles, or this spiritual knowledge of value, this spiritual gift? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. We have the Three of Cups. This is about a reunion. This is about people that are very close at a soul level, having joyous fellowship with one another. Thank you, Lord. This is the unity card for the twin flame paradigm. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. This masculine has been gifted by Spirit or rewarded. This Ten of Swords is the completion, and it's the pain, and it's the truth, and the devil energies that taught this masculine the truth of what pentacles are. Thank you, Lord. But it was also true soul family. It was soulmate connections. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And clarifying on the devil, the Fool is facing the Page of Pentacles and turning its back, the way I look at it on the devil energy. This could be the recognition of a bondage to form, or being a spirit inside of a body. But now I'm getting the message that this is the masculine turning away from this karmic energies. Yes. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. This masculine is moving away from these devil energies, because the Hierophant and the contentment and cups, the ever-present knowledge, yes, the masculine either has or is trying to master recognizing the devil energy versus the sun energy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for affirmation. Thank you for confirmation. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I'm sorry, I just seen that. And that is truth. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. They deserve it. But yes, that's what taught them what value is. It's unconditional soul connection. Thank you, Lord. It's spiritual. It's emotional. How can you sell somebody the sun? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Somebody gonna feel ripped off. We had the world in judgment, but Lord, you know only take one. Do not get order from chaos. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. We have the 5 of vessels. Thank you, Lord. Like I was saying, just as much as it were these soulmate connections that were a blessing in this masculine's learning process, so were the spilled cups in this 5 of cups. This card is about someone who is focusing on pain while 2 cups stand behind their back, not spilled. This is someone who's living in the past. This is someone who is in regret. This is someone who is deeply thinking about what's been lost. Thank you, Lord, because they're assured that those 2 are still standing. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. This energy and this joyous fellowship both played a crucial role in this masculine earning this Ace of Pentacles. Thank you, Lord. And this 10 of Swords, they've been through a lot. They've been in a learning process. Thank you, Lord. And that's why we're now clarifying this hermit mode. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. We have the Hangman. Yes, this is a new spiritual perspective. This guy's hanging from a tree and got his hands behind his back, but there's a glowing aura around his head. This is seeing things from a different perspective. This is a new spiritual point of view. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Total confirmation of this whole reading. Thank you, Lord. It's this new spiritual view of every suit. Intuition, sexuality, value and abundance, love and emotion, truth and cutting away what doesn't serve you, and passion. Thank you, Lord. They're running through these levels. Thank you, Lord. So much in so little time. Thank you, Lord. Can we get another card to clarify this Hermit and this Hangman? We have the 6 of Vessels. This is, in my view, almost exactly like the Lover's card, except for this represents the fun and spontaneous aspect of it. These are 2 kids or early teenagers. Thank you, Lord. They're just sitting in a meadow, content with one another. The masculine figure offering the feminine figure wildflowers in her cup of emotion. I see this as a rather innocent love, as anything is possible kind of love. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Can we clarify this Queen of Cups? Thank you, Lord. We have death. Death is all about cycles, beginnings and endings. Thank you, Lord. Death and rebirth. Thank you, Lord. Yes, this masculine knows who the Queen of Pentacles is. Thank you, Lord, who the Lovers is and who her passionate, unconditional lover is. Thank you, Lord. She wants a new cycle with this feminine, with her son, or to receive her son and her 10 of Vessels. or Ten of Cups. Thank you, Lord. They recognize and they want some sort of new beginning. Thank you, Lord. And this is true. And they want it to be an equal partnership where they both understand each other's definition of value because it is the same. Thank you, Lord. That is the only way for an equal exchange. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You can't break 100 into 3 separate piles. Something's lost. It's 33.33333333. So 0.777777777 is lost. That's not possible. Energy cannot be lost. It can only be converted. Thank you, Lord. And it's converted into anger, into feeling betrayed. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Into this devil energy instead of the sun energy. This masculine is in hermit mode about a renewal or rebirth in some form with the Queen of Cups. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yes. Thank you, Lord. This is the Six of Pentacles. 666. Straight down this line. The Six of Vessels, the Six of Pentacles, and the Lovers is number 6 in the major arcana. Thank you, Lord. The Six of Pentacles is most often seen mostly about charity. The man is offering a gold coin. Thank you, Lord. He has a balance in his other hand, and all 6 pentacles are surrounding this man. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And I see this as a generous or a charitable energy also. But I also see this as someone who understands value. Thank you, Lord. All 6 pentacles are around his head. Thank you, Lord. So those are not the pentacles. And every card, whatever the suit is used. Thank you, Lord. In the number cards, they represent like spades and hearts and playing cards. The one in his hand doesn't have a pentacle on it. Thank you, Lord. He is offering abundance. Thank you, Lord. But value is all around him. So this is also someone who knows what valuable is, what pentacles are, and they're still generous. Thank you, Lord. But they're balanced. To value pentacles, you got to value yourself. Thank you, Lord. But yes, the masculine wants or is thinking about how to make a new birth or a new cycle. Thank you, Lord. With the feminine. To clarify the 8 of Wands or the communication card, 8 of Wands, we have the Page of Swords. Thank you, Lord. This is 2 pages. And for a while now, pages have been coming out heavily. Pages are all about making offerings or messages. Pages are messengers. Thank you, Lord. But this is a messenger of truth. This is a messenger with a passionate messenger that will fight for this truth and that will protect this truth. Thank you, Lord. Yes, this masculine wants to convey the truth that she is totally aware of what pentacles are and how to achieve them. Thank you, Lord. 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 And we have the Two of Cups. This is another lover's card. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. She wants to tell her the truth of her eternal love, who she sees as her life partner. On the Two of Vessels, they're protected by strength, spirit, and knowledge. There's a little green snake around the wand of intuition and knowledge. Yes, I believe the masculine is wanting to come in to this feminine with truth and with passion. Thank you, Lord. I just look, we have the Empress on the bottom of the deck. Thank you, Lord. That's this message. And my message to the masculine would be, the Empress knows, the Emperor knows what the Emperor